In this lesson, we will be learning our next song called The Shores of Botany Bay. This song begins with the chord D, and the strumming pattern for this song is strum 1, which is down, down, up. Since the chords of the verse and chorus are the same in this tune, we will only play the chords of the chorus slowly together, and I'll call out the chords as we play along. The chorus begins with the chord D, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fair D, D, B minor, B minor, G, G, D, 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 B minor, B minor, E, E, A, D, D, B minor, B minor, G, G, D, D, B minor, B minor, B minor, B minor, B minor, A, B minor, B minor, B minor, B minor. This time we will sing the song a little quicker together, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Farewell to your bricks and mortar, farewell to your dirty lines, farewell to your gangers and gangplanks, and to hell with your overtime. For the good ship Ragamuffin is lying at the quay, for to take old Pat with a shovel on his back to the shores of Botany Bay. Finally, we will sing the song one more time together at normal speed, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Farewell to your bricks and mortar, farewell to your dirty lines.